Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car safe. Disconnect the negative battery and wait about 5 minutes so airbag capacitors discharge. Then remove the glove box and lower center console screws to expose fasteners. This gives access to hidden dash bolts. Once done, pry off lower trim and unclip the panel around the instrument cluster carefully to avoid breaking tabs. Keep each fastener with its originating panel so you know where bolts go when reassembling. You now remove the instrument cluster and the center stack components like HVAC controls and radio so wiring is accessible. Label every connector with tape. Next, unbolt the dash from under the windshield and remove A-pillar screws. Support the dash edge as you free those mounting points so it doesn't sag. Make sure to disconnect airbag connectors, HVAC actuator plugs, speaker leads, and any sensor pigtails. This prevents damage when you finally lift the assembly out. You and a helper should evenly lift the dash while one of you watches for remaining connectors or hidden screws. Disconnect anything still attached before fully removing it. Tilt the dash forward and slide it out of the A-pillar cutouts slowly so wiring and vents don't catch on sharp metal. Once out, inspect foam and clips and reverse the process to reinstall. If the airbag light stays on, check connectors and seat belt pretensioner plugs first. Reseat them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.